Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a U.S. Social Security number. First, we'll cover who is eligible and what documents you'll need. Then, we'll walk through the application process step by step, including where to submit your forms. Finally, I'll share important tips for receiving and protecting your new Social Security card. Let's get started on this essential process. Anyone who meets citizenship or immigration requirements can apply for an SSN. This includes U.S. citizens, permanent residents, and eligible non-citizens with work authorization. You'll need original documents proving your age, identity, and citizenship or immigration status. Common documents include a birth certificate, a U.S. passport, or Department of Homeland Security documents for non-citizens. Remember, only original documents or certified copies are accepted. To apply, you must complete Form SS5, which is the application for a Social Security card. You can download this form from the Social Security Administration's website or pick one up at a local office. Most applications require you to visit a Social Security office in person. Be sure to bring all your original supporting documents, as photocopies are generally not accepted. The staff will verify your documents and return them to you. After submitting your application, you should typically receive your Social Security card by mail within 7 to 14 business days. It's crucial to keep your new Social Security card in a secure location. Your Social Security number is vital for employment, taxes, and many other services, so protecting it from identity theft is extremely important. Do not carry your card with you daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.